Hello everyone, a very warm welcome to all of you on the platform of Exam4. I am Sanjay Singh Tomar, your maths mentor, and I welcome you all in this very important session. What we have planned for you based on ratios and proportion, a very important topic for all the competitive examinations. Either you are appearing for SSC or you are appearing for Supreme Court examinations. Ratios and proportions always play an important role. So do join me, and once you join, do not forget to tell me. Hello, Atul, Priyanka, Shrivani, Prajwal. Thank you very much, Prajwal, Atul Kumar Steady. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, guys. Okay. Lots of love, guys, to you. Okay. And lots of blessings so that you would be able to crack your examination in this year only. Okay. You would be able to crack your examination in this year only. Okay. Great. So ratios and proportion is what we are going to do today. Ratios and proportion, what we are going to do. It's an important topic, guys. Like I can divide this into basics. Then I will call it as I will. Hello Sudeep, thank you very much. Thank you very much, Harshit. Bags and denomination type. Bag and denomination type. Income expenditure type. Now we will do the variance as well this time. We will do the variance as well. And miscellaneous. Majority it is going to be a practice based. Sudeep, thank you very much. Okay. Majorly it is going to be practice based. Clear? So let's move on. X ratio Y given, Y ratio Z given. What is X ratio Y ratio Z? X ratio Y given, Y ratio Z given. What is? Hello Atul. Okay. It's not like this, beta. It's not like this. 7 ratio 9. Y ratio Z is 5 ratio 4. Y is common to both. Y is common to both. Y is common to both. So its value should also be same. Its value should also be same. Multiply by 5 here, multiply by 9 here. To make the value of y same. Because y is common in both equations, so its value should also be same. It will become 35, 45. And this is 45, 36. So x is 35, y is 45, and z is 36. Let's move on to the second question of the day. A ratio B known, B ratio C known. What is A ratio C? Guys, whenever they are asking about A ratio C, A ratio D, A ratio E, you can tackle in this way. Sir, A ratio C would be A by B into B by C. A by B into B by C. Because if you do the successive multiplication, B will get cancelled out. A by B 7 ratio 9 and B by C is 15 ratio 7. 3 5 ja, 3 3 ja. Answer. Okay, let's move on. A ratio D. Now you have to find A ratio D. Uh, Harshit, how much is your tier 2 score? How much is your tier 2 score this time? A ratio D. A ratio D directly. A ratio D directly can be found out by the successive multiplication of A by B into B by C into C by D. A by D can be found out by the successive multiplication of A by B into B by C into C by D. Okay. What is A by B known? 3 ratio 4. What is B by C known? What is B by C known? 5 by 7. And what is C by D known? C by D is 8 by 9. 8 by 9. 4 2 ja, 3 3 ja. It's 10 ratio 21. It's 10 ratio 21. How this feeling of successive multiplication comes? It's come from the common sense. Sir, A by D need to be find out. A by D need to be find out. So A by B into B by C into C by D. Ideally, it is A by D only. Ideally, it is A by D only. So is this feeling is with you as well now? Is this feeling is with you as well now? For sure. For sure. Okay, great. Let's move on further. What is the relation between B and E? Or what is the ratio between B and E? Now just think a little bit. Just think a bit. Only 1% thinking is required. Only 1% thinking is required. You have to connect B and E. You want to find out what is B ratio E. What you can think. You want to find out B upon E. What you can think. You will say, sir, start from B. Start from B. So B by A is there. Eliminate A. Eliminate A. So use this A by D. Eliminate D. Eliminate D. So use D by E. As a result, you will get B by E. As a result, you will get B by E. B by A is 3 by 2. A by D is 3 by 4. And D by E is 5 by 4. Simplify. 45 ratio 32. Logical? Logical? Come on, tell me. Tell me once, beta. Is it logical? You have to connect B and E. You have to connect B and E. So you proceed with B by A. You proceed with B by A. A was extra, so multiplied by A by D. D was extra, so multiplied by D by E. Eventually, you got B by E. So B by A. You have to use the value of B by A. You have to use the value of B by A. And B by A is 3 by 2. B by A is 3 by 2. 3 by 2. A by D 3 by 4. And D by E 5 ratio 4. Answer. Great. Let's move on. Three x is equal to y, and y is equal to z by 2. Y is equal to z by 2. Now, whenever these kind of values are there in the ratios, whenever these kind of values are in the ratio, always divide by the LCM of numerator. Always divide by the LCM of numerator. So it is 3. Always divide by the LCM of numerator. So it will become 3. X by 1 is equal to y by 3 or is equal to z by 6. So their ratio is 136. So their ratio is 136. This is also important logic. This is also an important logic that we have to make them coefficient free. We have to make x, y, z as coefficient free. That is why we always divide by the LCM of numerators. Yeah, we want to make x, y, z coefficient free. We want to make x, y, z coefficient free. That is why we divide it by the LCM of numerator. Let's move on. New age questions, guys. New age questions which require some solving. Which requires some solving. Two numbers are in the ratio 3:5. If 13 is subtracted from each, they will become in the ratio 10:21. Since you have subtracted the same value, so we can say, sir, this difference should be same. Or I can say you guys that this is the method to make this difference same. This is the method to make this difference same. Multiply by 11 here and multiply by 2 over here. So 33:55 and 20:42. When you will check, this difference will become same. When you will check, this difference will become same. It's 13 subtraction. It's 13 subtraction in both the cases. It's 13 subtraction in both the cases. And question is also saying 13 is subtracted. Question is also saying 13 is subtracted. So your natural numbers are 33 and 55. So your real numbers are 33 and 55. So your real numbers are 33 and 55. Now when you add 15 to these, 33 plus 15 and 55 plus 15, They will become in the ratio 48:70. They will become in the ratio 48:70, or you can say 24:35. Cool and clear? Cool and clear, guys. Now, when different numbers are added to each, then we will take it. When different numbers are added to each, we will take it, guys. In what manner? We will take it in a like a cave. Then we need to assume the variable k. Then we need to assume the variable k. Okay. Okay. One 945 chocolates is to be distributed among 12 men. Each man, woman, and children get chocolate in the ratio 11:11:17. Each man, children, and women get it in the ratio 11:11:17. So share of each is 11:11:17. Men, women, and children. But not they are not alone. They are not single. They are in numbers. They are not alone. They are not single. They are in numbers. So we need to multiply it by number of them as well. We need to multiply by them number of them as well. There are 12 men. Then there are 11 women. And then there are 8 children. So total chocolates with men are 132. Total chocolate with women are 121. And total chocolate with children are 136. Are you getting this as well? What is the share of the men? What is the share of the men? We will check it, guys. We will check it. Whether he is talking about individual, or what? So, total is, what is the total, bacha? The total is 268, 368, 388, 389. Yeah. 389. 389 is equal to 1944. Multiple of 5. Multiple of 5. Multiple of 5. What is the share of men? Man means plural. Man means plural. Okay. So total share of men, and total share of men is 132. Total share of men is 132. So my answer is, if 1 is equal to 5, then 132 is equal to 132 into 5, that is 660. Do see it. Do see it, bacha. Do see it. Any doubt whatsoever? Is it clear to all? If it is clear to all, you can let me know by your raise ups, thumbs ups. If it is clear to all, you can let me know by your thumbs ups. Well done, PP, SS, Prajwal, Priyanka, Srivani, and Sudeep. Well done, PPSS. Okay. Let's move on. Yeah, yeah. And Srivani as well. So P square S cube. P square S cube. 2P 3S. P square S cube. Only two factors, P or S, or any other factor is also there. Guys, only two factors are there, P and S, or any other factor is also there. अपना तो मजाक भी मैथ में होता है guys. Our humor is also in maths, huh? Factors. First and second number is in the ratio 2:7. And second and third is in the ratio 3:5. Make second number equal. Oh, make second number equal. Multiply it by 3 over here, multiply it by 7 over here to make it equal. Multiply by their inverse, है ना? Multiply by their inverse. So 21. So ABCR. So ABCR in the ratio 14, ratio 21, ratio 35.
है कहाँ गया कहाँ
ये बोर्ड वो कर रहा है लाइक ये देखो
फ्लिकर कर रहा है ना
रीराइट हो जा रहा है अपने आप
वो अपने आप होता है सर टेंशन मत लो होता है बहुत सारा होता है बट कोई सॉल्यूशन
नहीं वो
कहीं में होता है मच्छर घूम रहे होते हैं ना कोड पे तो भी होता है
लाइक एक बार लिख रहा हूँ ना तो वही चीज कहीं और भी जाके टाइप हो जा रही है एक बार देखना आप देख ओके 14, 21, 35. What is the sum of these three numbers? Guys, since the information is given in the product, since the information is given in the product, since some information is given in the product, since some information is given in the product, do we need to take a K of it? Do we need to take a K in it, guys? Come on, tell me. Do we need to take a K in it, guys, if the information is given in product? Yeah. So product of first and third, you have to take it 6K and you have to take it 35K. So product of first and second. Product of first and third. Product of first and third is given as 6K into 35K is given as 5250. 7 5 ja, 7 7 ja 49, 750. 5 is simplifying 150 times, and 6 is simplifying 25 times. K square is 25, which means K is 5. This is the point, guys, which is needed to be taken care. This is the point which is needed to be taken care, because in product, by doing the product, it will become K square. It will become K square. It will not only remain K. So if we do it by the multiplication factor, we can do some errors. We can do some errors. So what is the sum? 27. 27 plus 5, 32. 62K. Please do watch out. Please do watch out. Any issues, do let me know. Please do watch out. Any issues, do let me know. Is it clear to all, guys? These product questions need to be done completely. However, you can check the multiple of 62. However, you can check the multiple of 62 or 31. Like once it is clear that your answer is 62K, that your answer is 62K, if answer is 62K, what is the prime number in the 62? It's 31. 31 into 2K. So you can check the multiple of 31. Whatever is the multiple of 31 is your answer. Is this a multiple of 31? No. Is this a multiple of 31? No. Is this a multiple of 31? क्या हुआ? Option नहीं है क्या? Is option is not there or what? Okay, 310. Great. Let's move on. Let's move on. Same. Same pattern. Do it. Do it. Try to do it by multiple if you can. Try to do it by multiple if you can. Try to do it by multiple if you can. Same numbers. Same numbers. Please do it. No, the possibility can be this as well. Two multiples are there. We have done this exact ratio. We have done this exact ratio in the previous question. We have done this exact ratio in the previous question. 2:7, 3:5. So we multiplied it by 3 and we multiplied it by 7 to make B same. To make B same. 7, 21, 21, 35. So ABC are in the ratio 21, 35. Or you can say 6K, because you have to multiply 21K, 35K. So their sum is 62K. So we will check the multiple of 62. We will check the multiple of 62 or 31. We will check the multiple of 62 or 31. So is it? No. 31 not it is. 31, 138, no. I think these two are multiple of 32. These two are multiple of 32. You can check, you can go for 62 as well, guys. You can go for 62 as well. When you go for 62, this odd number will also go, and this is the become the answer. When you go for 62, this odd number will also get out of the race, and only answer is 496. That is when you are very sure that k will come out to be an integer. That k will come out to be an integer. But I always suggest to check only the multiple of the prime number. Only the multiple of the prime number. I always suggest to check multiple of only the prime number. Completely 6k into 35k. 6k into 35k is given as 13440. 7 5 ja, 7 1 ja 7. Then 64, 7 9 ja 63, 1920. 6 3 ja 18, 320. Simplifying, k square 64, k is 8. K square 64, k is 8. K square 64, k is 8. So answer is 62 into k. Unit rate of 6, 496. Unit rate of 6, 496. Clear? Perfect. Come on, do tell me, is it clear or not? Not factor, Prajwal, it is being called as multiple. Not factor, it is being called as multiple. What? It is being called as multiple. Okay? Great. Please keep on sharing and liking the session as well, guys. Please keep on sharing and liking the session as well. Okay? That would be of help for us, guys. Okay, let's move on. Two numbers are in the ratio 3:5. Two numbers are in the ratio 3:5. 8 is added to each, it will become 2:3. 8 is added to each, it will become 2:3. Okay. Here the difference was 2, here the difference is 1. Multiply it by 2, guys. Multiply it by 2 in the second ratio to make the difference same. Multiply it by 2 in the second ratio to make the difference same. So the new ratios will come out to be 3:5, 4:6. 3:5 and 4:6. Both are increasing by 1. Both are increasing by 1. Actually, they are increasing by 8. Actually, they are increasing by 8. So 1 is equal to 8. So 1 is equal to 8. Look, what is this? 1 is equal to 8. So original numbers are 8 3 ja 24 and 8 5 ja 40. So original numbers are, if 1 is 8, 3 is 24, 5 is 40. So original numbers are 24 and 40. Now if you add up 6 to them, what would be the ratio? If you add 6 to them, what would be the ratio? 30, 46. Please do simplify it. Oh, oh my God. Oh my God. I not read it properly. I have not read it properly. Oh my God. Extra labor. Extra mehnat. Extra mehnat. Okay. 8 is added to the first and 7 is added to the second. If different numbers are added, only the way is 6k, 3k and 5k. Add 6 to the first, add 8 to the first number and add 7 to the second number. As simple as this. So 3k plus 8 divide by 5k plus 7 is 2 in the ratio 2 ratio. 9k plus 24 is equal to 10k plus 14 is equal to 10k plus 14. So k is equal to 10. Bacha. K is equal to 10. So my numbers are 3 into 10 30 and 5 into 10 50. So my real numbers are 30 and 50. If you add 6 to each, what would be the new ratio? If you add 6 to each, what would be the new ratio? 36, 56. Simplify by 4, 9, 14. Oh, double mehnat, yeah. Double work. Sorry. Clear. Clear. So, more questions. This is the homework for you. It's a easy problem homework for you. It's a easy problem homework for you. This can be done as of now. This can be done as of now. A by B is 2 ratio 3. A by B is 2 ratio 3. A by B is 2 ratio 3. Is it 2 ratio 3 here? Yeah. Is it 2:3 here? Yeah. Is it 2:3 here? Yeah. Is it 2:3 here? No. 33% of doing it correctly in the 1 second. 33% of probability of doing it correct in the 1 second. What is B ratio C? 2/7, 5/14, 4/5. 4/5. In the next second, we will check where B by C is 4/5. Is it 4/5 here? Gone. Is it 4/5 here? Yeah. Is it 4/5 here? Yeah. This was already gone. 50% of doing it correctly. 50% probability of doing it correctly in the next second. C by D. 7/10. 3/5. 7/6. Is it 7/6 here? Is it 7/6 here? Sorry. D by C. Now this is D by C. This is D by C. So D by C is 7/6. Yes. If you want to do it completely, then after this you can do it like that as well. What is A ratio, B ratio, C ratio, D? Then you can do it by ratio balancing as well. The filling method you might have read. You might have read the filling method, which I would be telling you later on. But this is cool. If you were lucky and you would have first checked for D by C, you might get the answer in one step. If you were lucky and you check for D by C, you might have got the answer in the first go, because C by D is 6/7. 6/7 is not here. 6/7 is here, not here, and this is also not here. We can get the answer only in one check. We can get the answer in only one check of C by D. We can only get the answer in one check of C by D. Yeah. Please, all these, go through all these points properly. Go through all these points properly. After this, guys, I will continue from here in the next session. After this, I will continue from here in the next session. Till then, guys, you can do just one thing, is please do not forget to share it, and please do not forget to like it before going if you like it. If you like it, guys, please do not forget to like it before going. Take care of yourself. Have a great time. See you soon.